How to use coins on AliExpress. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you a quick and easy way to engage in several activities on AliExpress to earn coins. First thing you have to do is open up your AliExpress app and right on your home screen, once you make sure that you're logged in, you'll find something called coins. Just tap on the coins option and it will load up the interface for this. So there are a few ways to earn coins. The first one is daily check-in. So you can open the AliExpress app daily and navigate your way to the coin sections like so, and then earn coins or claim your coins. Collect it and earns 20 to 70 coins daily with rewards increasing for consecutive check-ins. Now, in order to collect your coin, you can just go ahead and tap on this collect option. And as you can see, the reward will keep on increasing. Let's just collect our first 20 coins. The other ways you can earn coins is by completing certain tasks. So you can just tap on earn more coins options. And then here it will show you some apps like searching for keywords, browsing sponsored items, adding products to your cart and wish list. So you can complete these tasks to earn the certain amount of coins. The other ways you can earn coins is by playing games. So if you tap on this play and earn option, you should be able to access games like surprise cards, flip and win, and more to earn. So the game may cost 1 to 10 coins to play, but you often get more coins in return. So that's how you basically earn and use coins on AliExpress. You can use these coins while checking out of your products to get certain discounts, or in some cases, you can even get free deliveries and stuff like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.